How to set Japanese name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a Japanese style name on your Facebook profile. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the Facebook, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here in the menu section at the top right side you can see the gear icon. So just tap on it and you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as language and region. And here once you tap on it, on the next page you simply have to tap on the option labeled as language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook. So simply tap on it, and after that a new page list of all the language will appear. So from here simply scroll down and select the Japanese language. And here once you have selected the Japanese language from the list, the app will update to Japanese. So now here you can see your name appearing in the Japanese format, and it will be easier for you to input or display Japanese character to your profile. And that's it. Now you know how to use Japanese name on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.